grills from the northwest frontier, Shizwan, spicy Shizwan from the Shizwan province, the Parsi dhan saag, foods that are not traditionally part of the Indian palate but have coexisted together for decades, becoming one, completely one with Indian cuisine. Which brings us to our next category, cross-border cuisine, bringing distinct cuisines together. A motorcycle garage turned into a beautifully designed Parsi restaurant is the beginning of Ideal Corner.
We started in the year 1985. We were initially a snack bar and we started doing well. So then we graduated into a restaurant and then it's history.
Authentic, home-style cooking and great value for money makes people come here over and over again.
People appreciate food and the oil and masalas that we use at home, we use it here. So people feel they are eating at home and we give a pretty quick service people who are in a hurry. Well, it's a great feeling whenever you're getting an award because you feel that your effort is being recognized and people enjoying the food and it's a very good feeling. We hope for some more.
Fancy and kitschy interiors, great flavors of the undivided Punjab before partition, and a food encyclopedia Jigs Karla make Punjab Grill an unforgettable dining experience.
Punjab Grill has now become a national brand. Our greatest issue of pride, I would say, has been that we revived the Gilawat ke kebab.
The Kalras believe that the best award is customer satisfaction and they have plenty of it.
I guess it is the Jigs Kalra element. You know, he has been responsible for creating some of the most successful restaurant concepts in India. It's a fabulous feeling to be nominated for a prestigious award like this, and it lends credence to the fact that we worked very hard to build this particular brand, and we're really glad that people are recognizing that our customers are enjoying the food most importantly, and that critics are liking it as well.
From a humble beginning as a tea stall in 1878, Dorabji and Sons gradually evolved as a great Parsi eatery in Pune.
This is the only place in town actually who's serving this way, and the food is right out. You can see what we are serving, and people don't want us to change even now. They don't want us to get modernized. The structural changes are still the same, and the recipes are still the same too. It's been just inherited from generations.
Homely interiors and the traditional charcoal-style cooking make this place a great place to eat in.
We have clients who are like visiting us from the past 30, 40 years practically every day, having the same meal with the same portion from years together. And they find that the taste is still the same, and which is like a great prestige for us, you know. To retain the taste and the consistency is the trade secret of this field.
Darius smilingly said that his forefathers who started this eatery will be very happy with this nomination.
If we win the award, it's going to be really worth for Dorabji and Sons because it's the effort that is put in by generations that has been coming in. It's going to be paid for.